Anqud, the nomad trucking is fun. Let's make it fun. Let's keep it professional. Don't mind the beard. And stay tuned, and we'll get down to all that fun stuff.
So here's another thing new I learned today, which we were protected from as company drivers. Which thankfully, when I was OTR, I never was late on a load. But yeah, I won't make my delivery tomorrow at 7 because my parts will be here about 8 o'clock in the morning, and I'm 8 hours away from my delivery. So yeah, I'm not gonna make it. So they rescheduled it for the 23rd, which will be 2 days from now, day after tomorrow. I'm thankful that they were able to do that. I don't have to pay a fine either, because the owner operators, if you break down, or you're late, you pay a fine. Now breakdown, they understand it's a breakdown. There's nothing I can control. The other thing is Palestine, Arkansas. I was wrong. The staff has actually, God bless them. I was here all day. I jumped the gun and I said, they suck. They don't. They just can't keep up. They didn't stop working all day, non-stop. So I read bad reviews about this place. It's being dirty, but the thing is, the sisters, we're the one who makes it dirty. Our showers and all that. Let's change that. Let's make our own culture. Let's make our trucker culture, make it better. Let's show the world that we're not just drivers. We're needed, or whatever. The country needs us. Think about it. We don't haul for 3 days, the country shuts down. And this is not a job or a sacrifice only. It's a lifestyle. We chose to. Think about it. Nobody made us do this. We chose to drive. Let's change that. Let's show the world that we're classy. Look at Walmart. Look at a lot of, I know Walmart, FedEx. They wear suits. I'm not saying wear a t-shirt or a shirt or anything. Look at my face. This is the first time I actually shower without shaving because it was that disgusting. When I paid $12. Inside the shower in Lowe's, Palestine, Arkansas. It's disgusting. Just run down. It was that disgusting. When I paid $12, I'm gonna go use them. So make it better. Make us proud. Peace.
I'll get you in the next video. God bless. Stay safe. And again, remember, we drive to protect others because we are the professional drivers. God bless you.